What's poppin', K-Crew? I'm back at it again with another video, and today's video is going to be on, as you guys see by the title, I don't like the way I did that. What's poppin', K-Crew? It's your girl Kyla back at it again with another motherfucking video, and today's video, as you guys can see by the title, is an unboxing. So today I got a package from Amazon, and I already know what it is because I know what the heck I ordered. Well, I didn't order it, my mother ordered it. Thank you, mommy. But so today we're going to be unboxing my mannequin head. I bought my basically this is how it all went. I told my mom I basically want to start getting into doing hair, and I want a mannequin head so that way I can start doing hair. She said buy it on your own. I was like I don't want to. She said okay, I'll buy it for you. So like, I know you guys probably didn't even give a rat's ass about shit that I was talking about, but I just felt like it was necessary to be said. I literally don't even know what that was about, but she just insisted, so I was just like okay. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I ordered this like a good week ago and it came like 2 days ago, so this is new. I just didn't want to open the package because I want to show you guys my full reaction. I'm excited, I just can't wait. But before I open it, you guys know I always have to, you know, talk and chat you guys heads off or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But basically I want to get into doing hair. I want to learn how to cornrow. I know how to braid to begin with. I just know how to regularly braid, but I don't know how to cornrow. I don't know how to singly twist. I don't know how to do none of that. So that's why I got a doll head for, so I can learn how to do all that. I just want to get into doing hair, period. So that's why I bought a mannequin doll head, because I want to start taking it serious. And you guys are going to watch me throughout this journey, this learning how to do hair journey. I think it's really cool. I always look at girls that are younger than me. They know how to do hair, and I'm just like, dang, like I really want to do hair, but I don't know how to do hair. Like I just don't know how to do it. I've tried a few times, but growing up my mom always did my hair, so I just didn't really ever know or learn, or didn't feel the need to have to learn, because I didn't think that I was gonna, you know, grow up and want to do my own hair. But as I grow up and the prices go up, I'm starting to learn, you know, I could start doing this stuff at home. So that's what I'm working on. That's why I brought a mannequin doll head. So let's go ahead and open this thing right on up, because I can't wait to see how it looks. Don't ask me why I don't have sheets on my bed. Just please mind your business, because I'm definitely doing laundry right now. It's all over the place. I'm literally uploading a video as we speak. I'm always uploading a video as we speak. But let's open this box up like I was saying. Goddamn, why it had to be like that though? Okay, this is not mine. This is something my mom ordered. Ooh, training mannequin head is what it says. Hold on, let it focus. Training mannequin head is what it says. And honestly, the box is so, excuse me, focus please. Honestly, the box is so like modern. I'm gonna read this to you guys because I'm just in the reading freaking mood. So what it says is, we are a professional mannequin. First of all, what? Get it together, Kyla, come on now. We are a professional manufacturer of wig products, always adhering to the customer first in pursuit of perfection. Business philosophy, constantly advocate the needs of customers, strictly ensure the quality of each product to ensure that the gifts given to you are perfect. We are the direct supplier of manufacturers. The highest quality and the lowest reasonable quotation are the advantages of our products. Our products include training heads, mannequin heads, cork canvas heads, wig tripods, wig stands, synthetic wig, and other wig preferables. So first of all, I hope this comes with a tripod. So I'm just gonna open it up and we're gonna just see together raw reaction. So yeah, how do you even open it? It literally, we're not doing this right now, okay, Kyla, come on. Ouch! Oh my god, are you serious right now? Ah! I'm literally having a hard time opening the front, but I'm just gonna rip it off, and it still did me nothing. Okay, yay, I finally got it open. So is that a tripod? Please tell me it comes with a tripod. I'm gonna be so freaking happy if it comes with a tripod. PSA, it did not come with a tripod. I was highly upset. So I'm gonna link this down below, by the way, just in case you guys want to get the same one, because this came with a lot of stuff. Take a look inside of it. It came with a lot of stuff. It comes with, I don't know what this is, but we'll figure all of that out. I really don't know really what this is, but when I take it out, I'll figure it out or whatever. It came with these little hair accessories. You guys probably really can't see because the light is so bright in the back, but 2 are green and 1 is blue. Oh my god. These strings, I don't know what this is really, but it's colorful. Hello, are we gonna focus? Are we gonna show the color? You guys can really see the color now that it's close up. And then we just got a free brown comb. This is cool. So I could part her hair and everything, you know what I'm saying? And then it came with more accessories, these little thingies, I don't know. But then lastly, we have the mannequin head. It makes me feel a little awkward that she's covered in plastic because she has a face. She looks like a human. So like, let me just open it and shut up. Yay, we freed you. Okay, so this is her. Okay, so this is the mannequin. First of all, she got inches. Okay, sis. All right. Yup, swing your hair as you should. My bitch got 40-inch hair. Bitches love to stare. Hey, you don't got no derriere. I can't even sing the rest of the song because she ain't got no body. But anyways, I almost dropped the bitch, but it's okay. So I love the hair because it's like the braiding hair. It feels like the texture of the braiding hair, honestly, and it's really easy to comb out. You could dye this hair, you could wash it. If I want to wash it, I will. If I need to wash it, you know, and all of that. And I feel like this is gonna be really perfect for when I'm braiding because this is literally the braiding hair. This is literally braiding hair. So if you guys know how braiding hair looks, this is literally it. So it's gonna be really easy to braid, even though you could really braid any texture of hair. But I'm just saying, this is specifically the braiding hair that, you know, most people use. But yeah, okay. Yeah, but I feel like this is so cute. So if you guys feel like you guys want to get into the hair journey too, or if you're already in it and you just want to practice some hairstyles, I feel like this is gonna be really good to do so, because this is my first time ever having a mannequin head, finally, like in freaking centuries. I was been supposed to get one, but I never wanted to spend my money. I'm only really cheap with some things, but then when it comes to clothes and sneakers and stuff, I just be like, here you go. So it's like, it's really weird, but I finally got one thanks to my mom. Thank you, Mom, for buying this if you see this video. But yeah, I'm really excited to practice my journey on doing hair because I feel like I'm going to do a good job, because I always like to perfect things. I always like to be really neat, and maybe one day I'll be doing other people's hair, but I really doubt that's anytime soon, because you gotta like know how to do different hairstyles when you're doing a lot of other people's hair. This kind of concludes the video. Oh yeah, I wanted to just show you guys real quick that this is how it looks when you part the hair or whatever, and it's really easy to comb. I just wanted you guys to know that it's really easy to comb, it's really easy to part, and when you part it looks like a real, you know, scalp in the middle, and combing goes really good. See, it's really smooth and everything. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is a good product, you know, for people. I'm just trying to help the females out that really want to do this too, that's just like me and kind of curious, you know. So yeah, this is really easy. It's just basic. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to know that. Yeah, continue watching the video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for helping me get monetized. Just please make sure you guys watch my ads, because that is how I get paid, and I'm currently sitting with $4.80 in my revenue box just from people watching my ads. And I just want to say I'm grateful for the $4 and everything, you know, you guys. Thank you. Like, I'm so excited. I'm happy. I never knew this day would come so soon. Like, I started YouTube 2 years ago. Never have I ever would have thought that I would ever make it to monetization. Never have I ever would have thought I would make it past 1,000 subscribers. Like, this is all new to me. I'm just so excited, and I don't know how to, you know, I'm just excited, especially with all the doubt I had. You guys stuck with me and helped me prove them doubters and haters and all of them wrong. And I feel like I'm just excited, and as I should be, because all that hard work, all that editing, late night on school nights and all of that, trying to make sure that video is up then and there, trying to edit a video out when I get copyright. And it's like, I just can't thank y'all enough. I feel like I'm so blessed. I feel like I don't know if I'm blessed. No, I feel like I'm so blessed, and I'm just so excited, and I'm happy, and I should be happy because I worked hard for this, and this is where I wanted to be. This is where I wanted to be. But yeah, make sure y'all just watch them ads for me. You don't gotta watch them 2-minute, 3-minute ads. If they that long, you might as well just skip it. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I would probably skip it too. I'm not gonna lie, I do be watching my favorite YouTubers like 3-minute ads and stuff, only because they're my favorite YouTuber. But I'm just so grateful for everything that, you know, I have accomplished on YouTube. Even though I did it, it wouldn't be no I without we, the K crew, the whole crew. Y'all just helped me build up all I did was put the content out there for y'all, and y'all really sat there and helped me build up to the point that I'm at now. And it's still more to come. Like, it's still more to come. That's the crazy part about it. We just now getting started, baby. We just now getting started. I can't wait to do giveaways. I can't wait to do all of that. I just can't wait. And yeah, y'all gonna really see who I really am throughout this whole YouTube journey as we grow more and we get more money. Period. That's all I have to say. But I love you, K Crew. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video so much. You like it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Shout out.